Okay, so as we all know, the AUR has been attacked quite recently, and a lot of these packages has been infected, especially the ones that was orphaned, and these malicious guys took it over and they injected their code into it, into legit packages. So you might have some of these packages installed, and every time you update or stuff like that, your system can be infected. Now, once it happened, if you have these files on your system, it's already over, because they are mostly info stealers attacking your browser, trying to get keys and passwords and all those stuff, and crypto wallets, whatever they want. So it's good to just change your passwords immediately and get rid of those packages. But to check what packages, AUR packages you have installed, you can basically run this command, so pacman-qm, and it will list specifically your AUR packages, not the pacman repository. So I have a few here, and I've run the check on them, and they are fine. They are not in the they are not blacklisted. So far, there's already 4,000 infected packages. Right, so to check your packages, if it's been compromised, you can run Aur-malware-check. Now, this is a collaborative effort to stop these packages from just spreading more, or to check your system if it's infected. Basically, that's what it does. So these guys have quickly drawn this up, and yeah, you can just run this. Obviously, if you don't want to run a script, then you're going to have to get the list, but it's 4,000 infected packages, and you have to compare them to yours. Or you can write your own script and do it that way, but I just run this script. So let's see. So basically just run this, copy. Now where is it here now? Did I have a command? Okay, quick start. So you can just run through their stuff, what to do, and then do it. I'm just gonna run this quickly. Just copy it again. As soon as I close my notes, the copy goes away. Okay, that's better. So it clones that script to your local folder and then runs it. So we can just run it, and it will now run through that whole thing. Right, so it takes your list first. I take it uses this command anyway, and then it just compares it quickly through that list. So clear no infected packages installed within campaign window. Okay, so it just says nothing is infected. It says all clean here. No indicators found. So you can just run this. I mean, it's pretty important that you do this, which is actually pretty important if you're an Arch user. Anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video. So yeah, I'll leave all the info in my description. So yeah, good.